Hello friends, welcome to this YouTube channel once again. And on my channel, I'll be sharing with you different ways with which you can make money online using apps, softwares and websites. On this video today, if you're someone who has been looking for a way to get an Opay account number without using your phone number, sometimes when people ask you for your Opay account number and you tell them your phone number, maybe they don't want to send you money. They want to get your phone number. And if you've been looking for how to get your account number without using your phone number, then this video is for you, because today I'll be sharing with you exactly how you can get, because your account number, which is not your phone number, is there in your Opay account. So I'm going to show you how to access it and use it to receive payments without disclosing your phone number to any person. So go to your Opay. Let me locate my Opay app real quick. Click on your Opay, and once it opens, you're going to see an interface that looks like this. Now once again, before you use your Opay, if you've not opened an Opay account before, if you don't have an Opay account, when you're registering for your Opay account, if you register just like that without using any invitation code, you will have your balance 00. But if you use an invitation code while registering to your Opay account, Opay is going to credit you 1,200 naira. So I highly recommend you use an invitation code when you're signing or when you're registering after downloading your Opay app. So the invitation code I'll be giving you to use so that you can claim your 1,200 naira cashback or welcome bonus is going to be in the description of this video. So click on that, use that invitation code. It's 81911-533. It's going to be in the description or the first comment you're going to see under this video. Use that invitation code so you can claim your 1,200 naira welcome bonus. So let's get straight into how you can get your Opay account number without using your phone number. Now look at this. Just under where it says add money, transfer, withdraw, just below it is earn 300 naira bonus. Get your pay me account for collection. Click on that place where you see this star. Click on this icon. It's going to open an interface that looks like this, and voila, here is your account number on Opay without using your phone number. See what it says: use your pay me account to receive payments into your Opay account. Pay with transfer. Opay and all banks accepted. Recipient bank Opay account number 611391061. That's my Opay account number on this account without my phone number. Believe me, this is not my phone number, but it's my Opay account. Everybody knows that in Nigeria there's no phone number that starts with 061. So this now is your unique and verified Opay account with which you can receive money into your Opay account without using your phone number. So this is a better way to use your Opay account without using phone number. See what it says there: pay me account 611391061 is a great way to receive payments into your Opay account without disclosing your phone number, without disclosing your mobile number to anyone. And look at the features. Your PayMe account is not a replacement for your Opay account number. You can use both numbers to receive payment. That means that your normal phone number, that is normally your account number on Opay, you can use that number to receive money into Opay, and you can also use this extra unique account number, which is not your phone number, to also receive payment into your Opay. 100% success rate. That means it doesn't have any problem when somebody wants to send you money through this account number. Instant credit. In 1 second you receive the money. Receive money in 1 second. That's what it says there. Free of charge. That means when somebody is sending money to you through this number, you don't pay. Nobody pays for it. They are not going to charge you for any service, for charges services. So this is how to locate your account number on Opay without using phone number. Thank you very much, guys. Keep watching this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications so that you get my next video, because in the next video I'll be sharing with you how to access your Opay code. Like if you want to transfer money from your Opay account without the internet, you can use a code to transfer money from Opay to another bank without internet. You don't need to log into your Opay account. So this in my next video I'll be sharing with you how to access that code. So stay tuned. Thank you. See you in next video.